Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is UJU EMEKA. If this is your first time of watching, you are highly welcome to the UJV family. And for those of you, the UJ lovers, thank you very much. I appreciate and love you. As you know, I am a businesswoman. I deal on everything human hair and beauty products. My aim is to make every woman look beautiful. So if you want to know more about my product, kindly check me out on Instagram, UJV Beauty by UJU EMEKA. So today I'll be talking of how to make yourself better. As a human being, we are supposed to make ourselves better. We are supposed to improve ourselves in any aspect of our life, because it is very important for you as a person to grow physically, spiritually, mentally. In any way you can grow, it is very important you grow yourself. So today, some of the topic I will be addressing on how to make yourself better are discipline, focus, determination, plans, strategy. These are some of the things you have to have in you as your skills or your quality for you to improve yourself up as an individual and to make yourself better. Determination and focus is one essential part of our life to make us get better, to make us grow. Determination is that quality that makes you want to continue to do something or make you want to achieve something that is difficult. While focus is that great deal or attention or interest you put in a particular aim to make you get to that purpose. So these two qualities are one good quality we can have in our life for us to do better, for us to become a better person. So I will advise you to be determined, to be focused. I know it is not easy. Nothing is easy in life. Mostly if you don't have people that encourage you, you don't have friends or family members that encourage you, because determination and focus goes with encouragement. But I tell you, try to have these qualities in life and you will see the positive result. So determination and focus is very important in our daily growth in life. Discipline is an action that is regulated to our daily life, like going to work, going to school, doing some certain things. As an individual, you have to work by 8 o'clock in the morning, and before you go to work, maybe you are a family person, you have kids, you have other things that you have to put in order, and you have to prepare your kids because they will be in school by 8 o'clock in the morning, and you have to be in work by 8:30. So you have to make sure you stand up, put this in order, and for your kids to show up at school by 8 o'clock and you have to be at work by 8:30. That is discipline. Keeping to standard, know the right thing to do at the right time, showing up at the right time at the right places. This is discipline, and it is very important in our life, because if you are not disciplined, you cannot move forward in your life. So it is very important to be disciplined as an individual. How to better yourself? We talked about discipline, determination, and focus. And the last topic I'll be addressing today is plan, strategy, and organization. As an individual, if you want to get better in life, you have to have a plan and you have to have a strategy. Strategy is a long-term process where you have the continuation of doing something, even if you don't know where it will lead you to. So it is better you have the strategy in life and you are able to plan towards it. But the most important role is that, are you an organized person? Are you that kind of person that when you have the plan and strategy, you are able to organize it so that you can follow that process and that that long successful journey that will lead you to be that better person you want to be, or to be that successful human being you want to be. So I will advise you, if you want to make yourself better as an individual, you have to have a plan, you have to have a strategy, and you have to be organized for you to move on with these two things. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I am UJU EMEKA. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to on the notification button. As I always say, if you have anything you want me to talk about, kindly put it on the comment section and I will work on it. Have a nice day. One love. Bye bye.
September we met.